as you can see, the sun is shining today and the fish are probably biting, but I unfortunately just got off work and have some obligations this evening, so I can't fish. But I can show you how I did my battery box for my kayak. The kayak is a Jackson Cuda 12. I've showed it in another video, so check that out. And so today, just gonna kind of go over the battery itself, the battery box. A very simple project. Anybody can do it. Keep in mind I have no experience in any electrical work, and I asked for advice from my father, and that was it. It was pretty easy, so you can definitely do this. Check it out. Okay, so we're gonna start off by looking at the battery. This battery, I found a fish finder that came with the battery. It's just your standard 12-volt battery. If you're curious, here are the details. Like I said, the battery's 12 volt, 7 amperage hour battery. I bought the battery box itself from Walmart. It was, I think, $9 or $10. The entire thing was probably about a $15 total, not including the battery. But again, I got the battery with my fish finder. So again, $10 battery box or $10 box. I drilled a hole here and I ran the cords through that hole. I used a rubber grommet to it's not watertight, but it is sealed. It's more sealed than it would be just a raw hole. The grommet helps keep water out. The reason I didn't seal it or put any goop in it, you certainly can, is because I anticipate to make some changes to this box in the future. I plan to put some more accessories on my boat, and so I just think I might need to do some modifications to it. So I didn't marine goop it, but I think it's safe anyway. So inside I have some pool noodles that I cut to specific lengths that help keep the battery in the box from shaking around. I got an SAE connector. If you can see, this is an SAE connector. You can find them at automotive stores or at Radio Shack. Just your standard female connectors. You can't see that. There you go. Standard female connectors, completely covered. Just help for water, to keep it watertight. And I have some Velcro on the bottom that I have the opposite piece in the bottom hole of my kayak. It just keeps it from wiggling around. These are very customizable to whatever you want to do. The battery, I tend to put it in like this first and hook it up. Excuse me. I'll hook it up with the battery sitting up at first. I also have a pool noodle run through these wires that, again, it's just a little more protection. Then I'll lay it down. And then I can put in my pieces of pool noodle. There was like 96 cents or something at Walmart, so another very cheap. Again, probably $15 project. And it just clamps shut like you would imagine. I've got several more projects I'd like to do. Thanks for watching this one. Keep an eye out for the rest. If you want, give me a like. If you want, give me a sub. And we'll catch you later, bug eaters.